Get ready for the Day of Love with some cute and fun crafts you can do with your family or somebody special. One of our favorite guests is back with us today, Amy Latta, for Getting Crafty this morning. She's got some Valentine's inspired projects. Good morning, Amy. great to see you.
Good morning, Brad. It's been a while. I'm happy to be here.
It has been a while, but we are glad to have you back, especially for this holiday. This first project is a Pom-Pom garland. Walk us through that one.
Sure, this is the easiest of all, and your kids are going to love to get involved with this. It's super fun. All you need to do is order some twine and some pom-poms, and you're going to need a needle that has a large hole that you can thread the twine through. So those are called a tapestry needle. You can find those on Amazon or at the craft store, but all you're going to do is you're going to cut a piece of twine that's however long you want your garland to be. So just a little longer than your mantle or your shelf. And you're going to tie a knot in one end so that your pom-poms don't fall off. You're going to thread that needle and then just start stringing pom-poms in any pattern that you like. So, I like to have a little control. So mine are in a specific pattern, but if your kids want to put them on there randomly, that's okay too. I blended pinks and reds and whites. I actually got on Amazon, I found a package of pom-poms that was all Valentine's Day colors, which was perfect. Or you can get just a big variety pack and mix them all up. And then when you get to the other end, you're going to tie a knot and your garland is ready to display. You can drape it over anything. You can lay it on a table, and it's just so festive and fun. And each of your kids can make their own. And it's just a really fun craft to bring some color into your home for the holiday.
And that's what I was going to say. It's simple, but boy, can that light up a room and make things vibrant, especially for February here. Now, you also have a wooden peg doll family idea. Tell us about that one.
I do, and this is probably my favorite thing I've ever made for Valentine's Day because it features the whole family and the love that we have for each other. Really, really simple. Again, you're going to start with the unfinished wooden peg dolls that you can find in any craft store, and you're going to get big ones for the grown-ups in the family and small ones for the kiddos. Now, Brett, that my kids are 16 and 17, and they're taller than me, so they were making fun of me and saying, you should be the tiny peg and we should be the tall ones. But however you want to make your family, you're going to paint your little peg dolls and you're going to glue them onto a wooden block. You can trim this to be whatever size you need for your family, or you can actually even use like a Jenga block. And you're just going to glue your peg people on here. Then I wrapped them up with a little bit of red and white twine, and I painted a little wooden heart that I put on there as well, just to accent it. You know that I love to letter, so I hand lettered the word love. You could also write your family's name or any other message you want. If you don't like your handwriting, I know some good books that would help you by a wonderful author named Amy Latta, but in the event that you don't want to do that, you could stamp on here as well or use letter stickers.
Yeah, and again, we've seen some of those books. I highly recommend them as well. What a cute little project there and a great way to display the family, even though you might be a little shorter than your kids at this point, Amy. Now, you're going to have more crafts later in the show. Remind us of your website right now, though.
Of course, you can find all of these projects and so much more at amylattacreations.com.
Check it out, and we will have more with Amy in our second half hour. We're coming back right after this.